Here we've got another singer. And there we have.
She is actually a singer.
You will be happy to be there, will you?
I don't know how she came through. In fact, when I do sing, I have to keep them out of the room.
You might even react to them. I think you better dance them. I don't know.
I'm afraid I'll have to give her over. Come. Oh, no. Still, though. You could do better than that normally. Don't follow. You're still excited, my love, eh? You're still excited, I know. You could perform better, eh? You see? Sometimes she follows so beautifully. She is the limit, though, eh? I can't keep them in the room when I study. Out of the question. So this is what goes on.